This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson. Great opportunity to live in a quiet area of the Meadows surrounded by shady trees, private yard space and a view of the pond. This charming courtyard-style home boasts high ceilings, an open floor plan, 3 sets of slider doors to the patio and terrific wall unit for extra storage. Brand new AC in 2021, newer water heater, new screening, exterior recently painted and roof installed in 2015. Short walk to pool, park and tennis. This beautiful community is perfectly located near shopping, desirable schools and highways for quick commute. Pets and trucks welcome, available for immediate occupancy and closing. For more information, review the details below or contact Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson at 772-485-2216.